Okay, here we go, y'all.
Okay.
And to follow along with them, you do your two fingers like this, the iPad, so you can follow along with it.
Hello and welcome to Southern Enterprise School of Arts, the podcast that unlocks the stories of the Bible through engaging lessons, puzzles, and props.
Slow. Bring it over.
I'm your host, Delilah.
And I'm your co host, Chloe. Today we're kicking off with Creation Day 1, where everything begins.
That's right. According to Genesis chapter 1, verses 1 through 5, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Just think, they're nothing at all. No earth, no sky, nothing. Then God created time, space, and matter.
Let's break that down because your Day 1 Creation 6 handout explains it so well. There's which is past, present, and future. There's which is space, north, south, east, and west. And there's matter, solids, liquids, and gases. One God spoke everything into existence.
Exactly. And not only did God create the heavens and the earth, He also created light. God said, "Let there be light," and suddenly darkness wasn't the only option anymore.
And I love that the handout reminds us so well that this wasn't just random. It says one guy working as a unit to get things done. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, perfect teamwork.
On day one, God separated the light from the darkness. Light became day, and darkness became night. The very first rhythm of creation began.
So, what's today's big reminder? God didn't just create stuff, He created order and the framework for everything else that would come next.
And that wraps up day one. Next episode, we'll move into day two and explore how God shaped the atmosphere and sky.
If you're following along your Creation 6 handout, make sure to fill it in one day. Okay.
Thanks for joining us on Creation 6. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.
And make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an episode.
I'm your host, Delilah,
And I'm Chloe.
and this is Creation 6.
Right on, y'all. It's good. Leave it up. Let it keep playing. Let it keep playing.
Oh my gosh,
There you go. So even though that's the end of everything, just we'll let it keep playing, and then while they doing whatever they're doing, you can bring their mics down. Bring their mics all the way down.
Okay.
All the way down that way. So if they want to chit chat with each other, they can. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring up